When you're trying to film a training video, but your assistant's dog starts alerting you to an oncoming medical episode. Loki now getting persistent with trying to alert. Final warning, so he jumps up to get my full attention. So I sit down for him to do deep pressure therapy.